the Angels, Nessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm here with day 12 of the No New November Junk Journal Challenge that Mrs. Gigi and me are doing all throughout the month of November. Now, we do have 3 more lies to do, but there are still plenty of pre-recorded to do. So, I'm on day 12. And day 12 is old bedding, and we have to make pockets out of it. So here's my old bedding. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half because I want to make 2 pockets. Like so. And I don't care how they're cut because it's a junk journal. So we're going to leave it at that. So now what I'm going to do is I want to make it a little stiffer on the back. So I'm going to glue them on here. I'm going to make that a little bit straighter. Meh. It's sort of straight, sort of not. Whatever. So I'm going to take 3 sides of this and glue it. 1 piece here and 1 piece on that side. So I have my 2 pockets to put in my junk journal. Okay. So, or I can take it and put it directly. I think that's what I'm going to do. Directly on the page. So, let me get my envelope with all my pieces that have been already made. Okay, where's that envelope at? Well, apparently my envelope disappeared. Nope, that's not it. Here we go. Italy girl. I also have to, I'm gonna put one on this one and one on this one. So we're gonna just take this. I have to trim it down a little. So I'm gonna use these, not those, these. I'm gonna trim it right down right here. Okay. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna glue it, and then I'm gonna let it dry. So we're gonna do this directly here. Like so. And then what I'm gonna do is take my quill clips and clip it. Y'all know me, my little quill clips. I love my quill clips. There. And then we're gonna go here. I'm gonna fold this one back. We're gonna go here, right across the bottom. Quill clip. Okay. And fold this over like so, and quill clip it. And then once it's dried, I can trim the excess off. Okay, so we got that page done with the pocket. Now we're going to do this one with a pocket. And this one I can go the whole piece. So We're going to start with one side. Let me fold this piece under for a minute. I'm going to go this side first. Like so. Okay. We're going to quilt clip it. Trust me, I got plenty of these. Clean the glue off here. I'm going to turn it this way. I'm going to glue it here. Quilt clips. This so I can get this side. Uh-oh. I'm gonna burnish that for now. And I'm gonna go this side. Like so. Burn it. Quilt clip. And quilt clip. Okay, so we got those two done. Okay, so now what can we do? Let me close that up, get this out of my way. Do I do another page? Okay. We're gonna do one more pocket right here. Okay. So I'm gonna get my old fabric sheet. Old bed sheet, I mean. I'm gonna cut out another piece. I'm doing it off camera because I got the bed sheet in my lap. I'm just gonna trim it down once I get back on camera. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut this piece off. I'm just gonna hold it down like that and go across. Okay, again, we're gonna, whoops, this is upside down. We're gonna go here and like that, so I'm gonna fold this under this way. I'm gonna start gluing and pinning. Let me get these scissors out of my way. Clipping. Let's get the clips out so I don't have to reach inside the little dish. And we're gonna start gluing. Gluing and pinning, how's that? Or clipping, whichever you want to say. And I will trim off the excess as soon as this is all dry. And it probably won't be dry till tomorrow. So now we're gonna go on this side. Do one side at a time, that way it's easier for the murder. So what I do is I try to line it up as best as I can, and then I clip it.